Here are some unexpected advantages to living a vegan lifestyle that can improve your health. Veganism entails avoiding any and all items that are either tested on animals or otherwise derived from animals. Being a vegan involves more than just avoiding animal products. This shift in thinking applies to every area of life where animals or their products are used. Many people choose to be vegans because of health concerns, ethical values, or religious convictions that lead them to reject the use of any products derived from animals. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. 19. Enhancement of digestion. If you want to get more fiber into your diet, going vegan and eating a lot of whole plant foods is a great way to do it. In order to keep your digestive system working properly, fiber is essential. It's possible that you'll go to the restroom more often if you experience a more natural and satisfying bowel motion. On the other hand, you'll be feeding the good bacteria in your gut, which has been shown to reduce inflammation. 18. The more food you prepare, the more you can eat. Whole plant foods have less energy per weight than animal and processed foods. That same quantity of food will now have a lot more filling nutrients like fiber, water, and phytonutrients, and a lot fewer calorie fillers. Sticking to a plant-based diet rich in whole foods is a great option if you enjoy hearty meals and want to feel full after eating less. 17. Reconnection with the natural world. The connection between what we eat and the environment becomes more clear when one switches to a vegan diet. To better appreciate the complexity and vulnerability of the natural world, it helps to realize that even small decisions like what to eat each day can have far-reaching consequences. 16. Reduced risk of chronic disease. These days, many people in the West simply accept chronic illness as part of growing older. Cancer and heart disease are still the leading causes of death and disability in the world today. However, this is not inevitable. People in parts of the world where people live healthy lives and eat mostly plant-based diets almost never get these diseases, so they can stay healthy and active well into their 90s and 100s. Plant-based diets, along with other healthy lifestyle choices, help lower the risk of disease. Also, they help keep hormones in balance, keep the gut microbiome healthy, and keep cancer-causing foods out of the diet. 15. Improved emotional well-being. The relationship between diet and mental health has been extensively studied. After 12 weeks on the plant-based diet, 32% of the people in the study who had been depressed were no longer considered to be depressed. Those who did not alter their diets saw similar results in only 8% of cases. While there is no magic bullet for mental health, eating more plant-based foods does appear to be a novel and important piece of the puzzle that has only positive outcomes. 14. Period pain is reduced. Premenstrual symptoms are often reduced or eliminated altogether for many women who switch to a vegan diet. Even though there isn't a ton of data, one study did find that women who followed a low-fat vegetarian diet had fewer menstrual pain, water retention, and mood swings. An important hormone in controlling menstruation, estrogen, is affected by one's diet. 13. Reduced risk of food poisoning. You can't imagine how unpleasant it is until you've had food poisoning. Going vegan reduces your risk of food poisoning, but does not entirely eliminate it. Poultry is responsible for approximately half of all cases, including some fatalities, because of their contact with feces during processing. More than 70% of chickens sold in supermarkets are contaminated with Campylobacter. 12. Smelling better is possible. Scientists have found that a meat-free diet can have positive effects on personal odor. According to research, vegetarian men's clothing smells more pleasant and attractive to women than that of men who eat red meat. This is probably due to dietary changes causing shifts in the substances secreted by sweat glands and the bacteria that feed on them. 11. It's possible to save cash. There is a misconception that eating a vegan diet is more expensive. Of course, it's exciting to try out a brand new vegan option, but doing so might not be great for your bank account or your health. Storing whole plant foods like potatoes, beans, rice, bananas, and oats, as well as frozen fruits and vegetables, is a fantastic way to stretch your food budget. In fact, if you compare it to an omnivorous diet, it could save you up to 40% on food costs. 10. Your tastes may change. Cutting out dairy, eggs, butter, and meat for a few weeks can make you more sensitive to the flavor of fat if you're used to eating a high-fat diet. Changes in taste preferences are a possible outcome. So too with salt, it seems. This suggests that the longer you are on a healthy vegan diet, the better it will taste. 9. Your sleep could improve. Most people who make the transition to a plant-based diet also increase their fiber consumption and decrease their use of saturated fat. This is great news for a number of health problems, and research suggests that it may also play a key role in helping people sleep better and wake up feeling refreshed. 8. Your risk of severe COVID-19 will reduce. Those who followed a plant-based diet had a 73% lower risk of developing severe COVID symptoms. This shows that a plant-based diet may protect against COVID-19 and other viruses, as well as new viruses that come out in the future. Even though everyone who decides to go vegan does so for their own personal reasons, once they make the change, they often report feeling better in surprising ways. 7. Vegan foods are rich in the nutrients your body needs. A vegan diet that is abundant in fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, nuts, and seeds will provide all the necessary nutrients. Vegans are said to get more of certain nutrients than the general population. These include fiber, antioxidants, potassium, magnesium, folate, and vitamins A, C, and E. 6. Eating a plant-based diet can make cancer and other diseases less likely to happen. Plant-based foods are rich in phytochemicals, such as the potent antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables, and a recent study suggests this may help reduce our risk for disease. Vegans had higher antioxidant carotenoids, more omega-3 fatty acids, and lower saturated fatty acid levels than non-vegans. More than 800 vegetarian males in Germany were studied for 11 years, and their cancer rates were found to be roughly half of the national average. 5. Vegan food can boost your mood. Vegans may be happier than meat eaters, according to reports. And it goes without saying that leading a compassionate lifestyle that does not harm animals will give you peace of mind. In fact, when compared to meat and fish eaters, vegans and vegetarians fared better on depression tests and psychological profiles. 4. Veganism has been shown to aid in the maintenance of a healthy weight. Vegan diets are easier to stick to because they naturally help you maintain a healthy weight without having to count calories or count fat grams. Most vegan foods have much less saturated fat than animal products, and many studies have shown that vegans have lower body mass indexes than their non-vegan counterparts. 3. Preventing type 2 diabetes is one of its benefits. Following a vegan diet can reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by up to 78%. According to studies, diabetes is more likely to happen if you are overweight, and eating a lot of plant-based foods can help lower this risk. 2. Your skin may benefit, too. No one would refuse to have a radiant complexion. Many studies have shown that consuming dairy products can make acne worse for both men and women. Vegans get more of the anti-inflammatory nutrients, like the antioxidants and vitamins, that are essential for healthy skin because they eat more fruit and vegetables than the average person does. 1. Eating vegan can reduce the pain of arthritis. Arthritis sufferers can find relief from their symptoms by adopting a plant-based diet high in healthy vegan foods, as research shows that eating foods with animal origins is associated with pain-causing inflammation. The good bacteria in the large intestine can be increased by eating probiotic plant-based foods like fermented vegetables and non-dairy yogurts with live cultures, which also aids in improving nutrient absorption and decreasing inflammation. If you enjoyed today's video, then feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.